everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this mug warmer. It's like a KitchekShop, I think is the brand. It's got different colors and things like that. So let's check this thing out. Show you guys what it is here. Comes with a little instruction guide. Here is the plug for it. Underneath the fuzz. Here's the different temperature and light settings for it. And then this is what it looks like here. I think that's everything out of it. Yep, that's all. So let's check it out. So this is what it looks like right there. And on the back, we've got our little button here. And then on the front, that one there. So let me unconnect it here and plug it in. I'll aim you all down in a second so you can see what it is. Okay, we are plugged in. I don't know if you can see, but it did light up when I first plugged it in. It says caution hot surface. Oh, probably not going to work on that. I think it needs to have like pressure on it, So I probably have to put something on there for it to have the pressure. So let's put a mug. Oh, there's a mug. So let me fill up a little bit of a mug here with some water in it. And I will put it on there. And you can kind of see it pushes down on it. So that's how it kind of gets going. And then I can push my finger on it. And I don't know what color it is, but I think it changes colors. You can set a certain color or let it rotate, I think is how it worked. So I think when I first put it down, or maybe just one of the settings is the rotate. But look at that. It looks cool. And it should be heating up. So let's see what the different colors. So this first level, 7 colors, is 185 degrees. Third level on the blue lights are 145 degrees. And red lights are 167. Fourth level green lights are 131. So if you don't want lights, you can push it down and hold for a couple seconds to turn off the lights. And I guess I pulled it down again to turn it on. So now it should be heating up. I don't want to touch it too much, but it is. So that's pretty cool. So it heats up and lights up. Neat little item. So I'm going to say this is cool. So if you need a mug warmer, and it'll keep your coffee warm throughout the day, and then when you're done, you take it up and it turns off. So it gets hot. It's hot. I can feel the heat over it. I'm not going to touch it because I'll burn myself. This stays cool, but the middle section gets hot. So super cool. I like it. Thumbs up.